Hello, for Uber?
Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Good. How's your day going?
Good. What's the name?
Dylan?
Oh, okay, perfect. Alright. So, Dylan, how's your day going?
It's alright, just going to the gym.
Oh, okay, cool.
Yeah, I was trying to get a quick workout in.
What are you hitting today at the gym?
Just doing calves mainly.
Oh, just calves?
Yeah, just calves.
Huh, that's interesting. Okay,
Why?
well.
Why is that interesting?
Oh, I don't know. I usually will have that as like one exercise at the end of leg day, but if you want to do a whole day of calves, like that's on you, so.
Yeah, I mean, you know what they say, like, girls love calves, so.
Sure, yeah, totally. Anyways, pretty nice day out today. Got any plans outside?
I was thinking about playing some mini golf later.
Oh, that sounds fun.
Yeah, are you free?
No, I have to drive Uber. So.
Well, when are you off?
I'm probably gonna drive till like 10 p.m. tonight. So.
Oh, 10 p.m. Well, we could go night mini golfing. There's a place. It's actually, I think it's open to like 10:30, so we could squeeze in a quick round.
Yeah, I mean...
Are you down?
I'll have to let you know after I finish driving. Just,
okay.
Like, I might be tired, so...
Yeah, I'm sure you could hit me up through the app or whatever.
Yeah.
It's kind of an expensive ride.
Oh, yeah?
I didn't realize it was going to be like $20 just to go barely down the street.
I mean, it still is like a 20-minute ride. But
yeah.
Okay.
It's kind of a lot.
Sure. What did you just do?
That Nothing.
You canceled the ride.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, it says cancel. Like, I'm getting a new ride request now.
No. That was my buddy texted me. He's just telling me he's gonna meet me at the gym. So.
I heard on the app, like, you pressed cancel.
I didn't press cancel. Okay.
Yeah.
Just forget about it. Take me.
No,
Just do your job.
I'm not taking you.
What are you talking about? Take me
I'm
to the gym.
Pull over. No, I'm not taking you
Why
to
are you
the
pulling?
gym.
Why are you pulling over?
Because
keep driving.
You canceled the ride.
Keep driving. I already paid
driving.
you. I paid you already.
No, I'm not getting paid anymore because you canceled the
ride.
Drive.
Put it in drive and go.
No,
Why did you put it in park?
Drive.
Are you seriously? Of course, because you're a female driver and you don't know how to drive. Is that why?
Because I'm a female driver?
Yeah, why are you driving
serious?
Uber? Why are you a female Uber driver? It doesn't make any sense. You should be at home in the kitchen.
Well, I believe in equality, and anyone can be an Uber driver.
Okay, great. Then take me for free. Let's go.
No, you canceled the ride. Get out of my car.
I know I canceled the ride. I can't afford it. It's $20.
Okay,
you think
that's
I'm gonna
not my problem that you're broke.
You think I'm going to pay $20 just to go do one workout at the gym?
Okay, brokey. Just get out of my car.
No, I'm not getting out. I already paid. I'm not getting out.
If you don't get out, I'm calling the police.
Good. Have them come. I'll talk to them. They'll understand because I'm a man. They're going to be like, oh, man's always right.
Are you serious right now? I don't have time for this.
I got all day.
I have new rides I have to do. Like,
I don't care. It's your problem. You can take me to the gym and then you can do your rides. I have all day. I have nothing else to do today, so I'll sit here all day.
I need you to get out, bro.
I'm not getting out.
I need you to get out of my car.
I'm not getting out of your car and stop cussing.
Get out of my car.
Women should not cuss. It's literally a huge turnoff. You should learn that.
Well, first of all, I don't care. Second of all, you are in my car.
Do you have any like mints or like waters or anything?
You're trespassing.
Do you have any Do you have any snacks?
Yeah, here. You want some mints?
Hey, what are you doing?
Get out. Get out of my car.
No, I'm gonna have one of your mints.
No, get out. Get out of my car.
I'm not leaving. I already paid. Just go.
You didn't pay. You canceled. No one's getting paid anymore.
Okay, well, it's $20. You think I'm gonna pay the whole thing? I already paid. It's like you probably already got $10. That's probably what you deserve.
I'm gonna count to 3.
It was on
And
Uber.
if you don't get out, we're driving to the police station.
Do whatever you want to do. I don't care.
3, 2.
You think I know how to count?
1. Okay, we're going to the police station.
Go. I don't care.
It's right up the street. We're literally a block away.
It doesn't matter. My dad's a cop, so.
Okay. No one cares about your dad, bro.
All right, well.
He's a cop.
Yeah, I'm literally friends. I would go to the police station every day.
Okay, whatever. They're gonna see you and be
I hang out at the cafeteria at the police station just to get my free food.
Wow, you really are broke, huh? All right.
Oh, it's my dad right there.